Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Favors Tips and Tutorial, and I'm here to give you all the exciting content on this YouTube journey of yours, and I'm here to help you reach all your goals on this YouTube journey. So let's dive into the video of today. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about what? So today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 apps that you need as a new YouTuber. The apps that you need to grow on this YouTube journey. The app that you need, that is, you're a new YouTuber, you don't know anything about YouTube, but you want to grow on this YouTube craft, you want to succeed, like you don't even need too much. So this video will be a very short video because I'm just going to be listing all the apps for you, and I'm going to be including them on the screen so you know the apps that you need. Okay, number one, get your pen and your paper and take them down. So number one will be your YouTube app. Yes, that is your YouTube app. You're going to go over to your app store or your play store to download your YouTube app. Then number two, you need your YouTube studio. That is your YouTube studio. That's where you do some little work in SEO on your video. With time, you're going to understand what I'm saying. So number three, you need your CapCut. As a beginner, I would advise that you start editing with a CapCut because I feel that CapCut is a lot easier. It's a lot easier for you to process than some apps. I don't know, but that is what I feel, because when I've handled like 2 other channels, and I feel that CapCut is much easier for a beginner to learn with. But there are other editing apps you can make use of. You can make use of your Filmora, you can make use of your InShot, you can make use of your, just so many editing apps you can make use of. But this is the one that I use, and this is the one that works for me, and it's very easy and it's free. It's very free for you to use. There's the pro version, that is the version whereby you get to pay to use you get to pay to use more of the features. Okay, but this is a free, because as a beginner, maybe you don't have the capital, you don't have the money to actually pay to use the app, but you can start because the things that you can use as a beginner, they are free. So CapCut is very easy for you to use as a new YouTuber. So CapCut is our number 3 on the list. So on number 4 on the list, what do you need? I think this should even be the number 1, because you need your phone. That is, you need your phone. You need either your phone or your camera. But as a beginner, you don't have money, like you don't have money to start your YouTube journey, like you don't have money to get a camera. You can start with your smartphone. Even in this video, I'm making this video with my smartphone. You can use your iPhone, because iPhone tends to be very clear. But when in a situation whereby you don't have an iPhone, you can use your Android phone. You can use any phone that you have. Just make sure that the area is bright enough for you to be able to use. Like in this video now, I'm not making use of any light. I'm making use of the artificial lights, and you can see that in my house I just turned off the light and just open up the doors so that I see that artificial light, and you can see that artificial light even adds to the beauty of the video. I prefer using artificial light than even using I prefer using natural lights. That's natural light than using artificial lights. Okay, this is natural light. That is the light that is coming from outside. Then artificial light maybe is when you have making use of your gadgets, your LED lights, your ring lights. Okay, I just use my normal light, then I open the doors of my house, and then everything is clear. And make sure that you clean your camera very well so that your video is going to come out looking so clean. Okay, so number 5 on the list is what? I use PixArt. That is PixArt. That is to make your thumbnail. PixArt to make your thumbnail. That is, so what is thumbnail? Thumbnail is like just your cover photo. That is to say, in the video, like in this video now, you saw the thumbnail before you click on this video. That is the cover of the video. That is, you're trying to tell somebody that this is what you're talking about in this video. So that is the thumbnail. Okay, so the apps that you need, I'm going to just, this is going to be a good thumbnail for us. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, so after that, PixArt, and PixArt is very free. Like you have the free version, you have the one that you pay for. But like I said, as a new YouTuber, you're not paying for anything. You're starting free. So I'm giving you the free apps that you can use as a new YouTuber. Okay. So number 6, I actually said 5 apps, but I've just listed more than 5 apps. Okay, but going to just be 5 apps because your phone is, you actually know that you need your phone to create the content, right? So the 6th on the list is going to be the Canva app, and the Canva app is free. We have the version of the Pro, that is the one you pay for, and you have the one that you don't have to pay for. Okay, but this one I'm going to be talking about, Canva, is free. So I'm going to indicate all the video, all the symbol of the app, so you can easily download them. You can easily find them in your app store or play store. So those are the apps that you need to start up a YouTube channel in 2024. Okay, I'm going to list the gadgets. Okay, the gadget that you need to start up a YouTube channel in 2024, you need your lights, either your ring lights, your LED lights, any light of your choice. You can make use of your natural light when you don't even have any of those lights. You can make use of your natural light like I'm doing in this video. All you have to do is just do your editing and make sure your editing comes out looking pink. So anybody that sees the video is going to just click on that video. Okay, so guys, okay, what else do you need? You need strength. Like you need strength. You need to be encouraged. You need to encourage yourself, because you're going to be in this YouTube journey. You're going to be discouraged along the way. So when you don't have that, like you don't have the confidence, you don't have the strength, you don't have that, you need to just keep going. I think you're going to fall along the way, because you will not be able to continue. What of when you're not getting views? What are you going to do when you're not getting views on your channel? Are you just going to stop because you're not getting views on your channel? No, you're going to continue. So you need that zeal. Yes, that is the word. You need the zeal. Zeal is part of the equipment. Zeal is part of the apps, the equipment you need in this your YouTube journey. So guys, if I'm able to help you, thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. Please don't forget to like, comment, share this video, subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to give you all the tips that you want. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. I'll see you again on another video. Bye.